And dear viewers, welcome for our second part of the Easter cupcake that we are about to start. So all we need is our simple three ingredients, which is vanilla extract or vanilla essence, pure or artificial, doesn't matter, half a cup of butter, and 2 cups of icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. So these are the three ingredients to make the icing. So let's get started without further delay. On a mixing bowl, we'll add the butter on and we'll add 4 spoons of sugar. And we will mix this now. Just a little information, your butter should be on room temperature and it's unsalted butter. As the icing has already been mixed, we will add last part of the icing sugar and we will continue mixing. At this point, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and we will continue to mix. At this point, the icing is too thick, so we have to dilute with some water or milk. I have some milk over here, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk, just 1, and we will continue mixing it. Cold milk. And dear viewers, our icing is ready. The cupcakes are ready, well cooled off, and now we have to add the simple syrup. And simple syrup, I made them earlier with half a cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water, and you can add it a little bit less or more. So with a fork, lift up your cupcakes and just make a hole in the middle. This is to when we add the simple syrup, it will penetrate into the cake and the cake will be moist. With the help of a pastry brush, dip the brush into the syrup and brush them and let the syrup, the cake absorb the syrup. It has already been 10 minutes and now we will place a little bit of the icing, just put it on and spread it out. Just very little. A very thin layer. Our cupcakes have been iced. And so now we will do a circular motion. Just like a flowery. I will do another one. And the circular motion. It's been a long time I have not done a piping, and piping, it has to be consistent, but still I'm able to do it. And I will do the rest. And with some chocolate eggs, and we will add as many colors as you want. You could put 1 over there, and another one, and another one, say 3. Just add a few more different mini chocolates. This is what one looks like. Another one, maybe just the eggs, a 4-color egg. Or we'll change the color. just add this little chocolates. How lovely are they? And we will continue the rest. And our next design is another type, which I'm just adding a few eggs. And I have some chocolate sprinkles, and I'll add the chocolate sprinkles on it. And this becomes another design. It's Easter, you can design as you want. And we will add some chocolate sprinkles, and we will add some mini eggs on top of it, and cover it up with chocolate sprinkles. And even this, it's so blunt, and I'm going to add some chocolate sprinkles. This brings up beautiful. We have come to our final part of our Easter cupcakes, and here's my designs with different kinds of Easter eggs, chocolates, and also with a plain butter cake mixture for the Easter cupcakes. So I hope you will enjoy these cupcakes, try them out. Chocolates have been sold in the grocery stores, you can find them easily. You can find the mini ones and also the big ones, Cadbury, and I hope you'll try them. And celebrate Easter with your children, family and friends. So I wish everyone a happy Easter. Without sweets, it is not a celebration. Let's celebrate Easter with this. Happy Easter, Christ is risen, Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. And for all those who have been faithfully with me, thank you very much. For all those who are new, thank you very much, and welcome aboard. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And so I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.